Hello everybody, it's been a while since I've done a YouTube video for a how-to. In fact, the YouTube video, my apologies, been very busy with work, but things are slowing down and then they'll pick back up here in just a little bit. This video was based off of a very interesting article on, let me see if I have the URL now. It was based off of, that's right, techmint.com, Linux how-to guides, and they had an article I got an email on YouTube downloader, or YouTube DL, that we're used to in the Linux world. Now, I bring this up because many of us have used or seen YouTube downloaders on the interwebs, such as YouTube downloader for Windows. However, it comes with so much junkware and bloatware, and possibly even malware if you get crazy with all the install plugs on that sucker, or click on the wrong thing on the website. So I said, well, how's a nice, faster, command line driven way just to do things safely? And I found a YouTube downloader on an article. So I thought I would just share it with the masses, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So pop open your favorite flavor of Linux distro, whether it be CentOS, Ubuntu, or etc. And you're just going to pop open a terminal like I have here, and you're just going to do sudo apt-get install YouTube downloader. Type in your password. I've already installed it, so it should say I've already been installed. Yeah, so very good. And if you want, and I suggest you do this, go to YouTube TACDL, TAC help, and you can see all the different lists of commands that you have at your fingertips. Now, a good one to do, so we'll go ahead and clear this out, and we'll just do YouTube, and then do TAC, say list, hyphen, or TAC formats, and then we're just going to say this particular YouTube video right here. And we're going to say paste. Okay. So it shows you all the current videos you have to use and what's the best one they give you. And if there's 1080p available, there's not any on here. The only highest best quality we can get is the 720p. Now there may be an issue with here. I've noticed that when you have a warning static signature algorithm set up for a specific link, sometimes it doesn't download. I think it's there for protection. You'll get a 403 error. So we'll try it out here. Let's see, YouTube downloaded TAC F, and we'll say 136. Oh yeah, gotta provide a URL, otherwise it doesn't know where to go. Yeah. So this is a good example. So in this case, you may get a 403 error falling back to static signature algorithm. Certain YouTube videos are kind of blocked in regards to this. There is a way to get around it, and I will show you here right now. Alright, here's another song that I like, and as you saw, there's no warning, so it just really depends on the video. I'll show it to you here in a little bit. I just want to show you how to actually use the YouTube downloader. So YouTube downloader, and then we're going to say TAC F. And 480 is fine, so we'll say 135, and then the URL of the thing I want to listen to or download, and there it goes. Even told you what it was and what I downloaded and how big the file size is. You can find it if you just ls, it puts it right there, or if you just go to your archive manager, and there it is. And it downloaded it just fine. Yeah, I didn't download a actual video on here, but what I can do is this. Let's click this, and we can copy this and move it to here. Of course, VMware is going to have some issues with it, but there it is. Bam! So now I just copied it onto my Windows device. And I don't want to play the sound or audio output too much for you so I don't get in trouble, but yeah, and I can hear it just fine too, so very cool. Easy enough, right? I'll just delete the file. It was just an example to show you. pretty cool. There's so many tools you can use in regards to a YouTube downloader, but I would suggest doing this one as far as a safe download to go, because you're not going to get a whole bunch of things you don't want to see, hear, or look at. If you do go this route, I would definitely suggest looking at the help file. Um, there's another nifty trick you can use here, list extractor. So YouTube hyphen or YouTube tac DL space tac list tac extractors, and it shows you all the different things you can look at and download from. Unfortunately, it does have porn sites here as well, but it has Vimeo, which is pretty cool. And I think there's some, yeah, Tech Talks, which I liked, right? Uh, you have some, what else do we have here? Yeah, pretty much anything you can think of. I mean, that's just that's a lot. A lot of stuff you can download from the stream, and it works just like wget. So there's a pretty cool article. Like I said, look at techmint.com and find this article on it, and if you want to learn more. But for the time being, I showed you how to download a YouTube video. If you run across that error, I would suggest, just for the time being, is just Google it, how to get around the 403 algorithm error when you do YouTube video. As an example, that one, which is falling back to static signature algorithm, unable to download video data, HTTP error 403 forbidden. So something is catching it and is causing it to do so there's a traceback on that Python script that we're using, which is what this is. And anyways, just take a look at it. I'm curious on your guys' input. Comment on the video if it was instructional. Hope this was instruction. Blah, blah, blah. Wow. Today is Tuesday and it feels very weird. I want to thank you all for viewing. Hopefully it's been an instructionable video for y'all, and hopefully it'll be a safe video for you guys to use and to download YouTube videos in a safe manner without getting a bunch of junk or bloatware. All right, take care.